Language there, language input must be there. Then the machine will process, which will give you the, output. But we generally don't believe it. We always teach grammar, vocabulary, spelling. When we teach separately, lead doesn't do anything. We have to put the input like we got when we were born. Our parents used to talk, relatives like. So when I tell that you just spend 60 hours with me, I will hypnotize you, I'll meditate you, I will even hack your brains. So after 2 months, you don't need to come to me, but you will gradually improve your English. So meet me after 1 year, maybe 2 years later. So you'll find that your English is improving. I'm not teaching you, I'm not learning. I have done something, a software is installed, something like that. But if you don't come here, I have a challenge. I meet you after 5 years or 20 years. Your English was as bad as now, 20 years ago, and your English will remain as bad as now after 20 years. So if you don't come, you meet me maybe 5 years later or whatever. I have a chance. It's all because the system is wrong. They speak Bangla, they show grammar, they show separately vocabulary, spelling. They don't work when they speak. When they write, they don't actually help. It has to come internally. So I honk the car, honk the phone. It's because I'm conscious, no. It's because my body has some mechanism. It has developed some mechanism. I need to brake, it will automatically brake. Yeah, if I need to take left turn, it will automatically turn to left. It's automatic. Even your phone, talking to your friends because your body has been ready. Conscious level has been ready. That's why you can drive a car perfectly. If you want to learn English like your mother tongue, you have to go to an English-speaking country. Number 2, if you can't, then at least you could go to an English medical school. If you can't, as you are grown up, you can't go to English school now. So you have third option. That is me. Because the way you learn Bangla, I also show the same way. The way you learn if you go to America, I also show the same way. When you go to English school, the way they teach, actually they speak and read and everything they do in English. So the same thing I will do. There are different techniques. আমি আরেকটা example দিই, is something like addiction. Right? সে মদ খাওয়া ধরলো কবে? He said that he starts maybe 1 month. কি করে হলো? তো ভালো ছিল কারণ ওর সাথে মিশতো. The answer is ওর সাথে মিশতো. So that means that ওর সাথে যেই মিশতো সেই মদ খাওয়া ধরলো. So the background is quite specific background. It's all because he spent time with that boy, he got addicted to wine. The same thing is my work. I will addict him by 60 hours. I'll not stay with him. He will keep on practicing because he has developed some interest, some mechanism has been set up. But unfortunately, I need cooperation. মানে ইমিডিয়েটলি এটা ইনপুট করবে না, ইমিডিয়েটলি ছেলেরা বুঝবে না। আমাকে ডিসি স্যার এও বলেছে যে don't you remember how your primary school teacher taught you? Why don't you apply it? Can I protest? I can't. It's supreme power. Just listen. সাইফুরের ভিডিও দেখে পড়ান, প্রাইমারি স্কুলে কীভাবে শিখেছেন ওইভাবে পড়ান, তাহলে ছেলেরা আসবে। I can't say that I'm doing something just to help students in abundance. It's not just they come to me, they can also improve at home. প্রথমে বলে নিই যে You can continue. If it is impossible, then you can also stay home. But watch these videos, follow these techniques, then you will learn. Unfortunately, if you don't come here, you will not follow the techniques. You will not watch these videos. This is the result. তাই না? আমি তো 10 মিনিট দৌড়ালেই হয়, কিন্তু আমি তো কেবলমাত্র পার্কে গেলেই দৌড়াবো। The condition is I have to pant shirt pore, 15 have to get ready, then I have to go to park and then I take exercise. তাহলে আমার যেতে আসতে হাজার সময় নষ্ট হচ্ছে। তাহলে আমার দরকারটা কি? আমি বাসায় 10 মিনিট একটু জগিং করলেই হয়ে যায়। দ্যাট ইজ নট হ্যাপেন। বাসাতে আপনি 10 মিনিট জগিং করবেন না, এটাই রেজাল্ট। এটাই আমি বলি যে তুমি এখানে না আসলে তোমার প্র্যাকটিসটা করা হবে না। তো প্র্যাকটিস যদি কেউ করে ফেলে তাহলে হবে। যেমন ওয়ান নাইজেল, আই ডোন্ট নো whether he is Steve and Lukman. I have also his videos here. আমি এখানে ভিডিও করি তবে so Lukman's English is fantastic. He tells whatever I have said. The difference is he did not follow my words, he did himself before I met him. So he says only because I watched videos. When he came to Bangladesh 2.5 years ago, he was alone, he couldn't speak good English, he couldn't talk to people. So all he did was watching videos in YouTube, and this is how his English is fantastic. It's all because he watched. So he tells, I standing in front of them and he tells that this is the only way I learned English. If you think my English is good, I give them homework. So classে আমার বোর্ড ব্যবহার করি, মাল্টিমিডিয়া ব্যবহার করি, I show different things. But every class I got one exam, and every class they will be awarded a set of headphones. ধরেন 30 minutes long videos are there, or 20 minutes. I have 20 objective type questions. One who gets the highest marks gets the prize. Every class. This is my own money. So a class means actually there are 4 classes, Friday, Saturday, Monday and Wednesday. I don't give the test on Monday and Wednesday because the number is very small. But the number on Friday and Saturday is a little bigger. That's why I give a test, and one who wins gets the set of headphones. সেটা আমি ক্লাসের একটা পরীক্ষা হিসেবে in the middle of the class, it's 3 hour long class. কেউ কেউ রাতে 5 ঘন্টাও থাকে।